Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are copying, or I guess recreating, a Natacha Oceane what I eat in a day. I hope I said that right. I've been watching her for a pretty long time now. I go into talking about that later, but the reason I'm recording this now is because the first like 2 minutes of the video, I just got this camera recently and the settings are messed up. So the first like minute and a half or whatever is kind of a little darker than it should be. I'm really sorry about that, but it does get better. So try to stick with it. I don't know what they did to, like, the camera settings are just weird. I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure it out. It looks better now, I think. It should be fine. Anyway. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. She ate so much food. I'm so happy that I picked her because I was going to go with some Victoria's Secret models, but they don't eat anything. So thank God that I picked her because she actually eats food. She's like a real freaking human being. Anyway, so the food so far has been amazing. I'm filming this halfway through. So please, like, just even if you just stay tuned to watch like the recipes to recreate them for yourself, watch it. I'm just shocked. It's healthy and good for you. It's delicious. It's nutritious, it's filling, it's great. Anyway, yeah, I hope you stay tuned. Please like and subscribe. Let me know who else you want me to eat like, or what else you want me to film. Thank you guys for being here and subscribing, and yeah, let's get into it. Hey everyone, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are eating like Natacha Oceane. I'm really sorry if I'm saying her name wrong. I've been watching her for a long time now, like maybe a year and a half, which feels like a long time for me. Anyway, she's just very like inspirational, the way that she has changed her life with her eating habits and just everything. She shows you that you can eat food and enjoy life and cheat sometimes here and there, and that, you know, at the end of the day, whatever you're doing consistently is what's going to happen. And she's just shared so much about her personal journeys and her struggles, and I've struggled with the same things that she has. And if you see the way she eats, her what I eat in a day videos are the most like realistic what somebody should be eating videos that exists. Well, as far as like model what I eat in a days, or like fitness industry what I eat in a days. Obviously there's some other people that I'm not talking about right now, but as far as a lot of the ones that I watch just to figure out what I should do for today's video, she's the only one who just eats and eats normal foods, and like, wait till you see what's for dinner tonight. My husband was even surprised. Anyway, I made breakfast. So I'm gonna eat this now and watch one of my shows. I'm in Insatiable season 2, like just in a scene. So I've been rewatching season 1 because it comes out on Friday, just to like remember everything, you know. So I'm gonna keep watching that and eat this, and then yeah, let's just go. I'm gonna go get my baptism certificate. This is good. I'm actually really surprised. I wish I would have ate it faster so it would have been a little warm. Oh, this is delicious. Alright, so I'm just checking in. It's been about like 2 hours since I've ate that food. It was amazingly like delicious, but it was not filling at all for me. It's something that I would eat on a morning where I'm not starving. I'm so hungry in the mornings. Like the mornings are when I'm the hungriest. So that's probably something I would eat more for like dessert, or if I am gonna have that, I would need to eat some sort of healthy fats or proteins or something to help like not be hungry. So that's fine though. Your boo-boo hurt? So I'm just going to wait a little bit longer and then make the lunch and maybe like a snack or something earlier than she would have. Yeah, I'm hungry, so let's see what happens. So this isn't part of like what she eats in a day, but I'm kind of like starving and don't want to really deviate too much. So I just made some like vegetables. It's green pepper, cucumber, tomato, onion. I put like a splash of ranch and then some hot sauce and salt and pepper. That way it's like 50 calories for all of this, so it won't really deviate from what she eats. So yeah, so I'm gonna eat this real fast and then yeah, we'll keep going. I'm really excited for lunch. I'm so hungry. I would cook it now, but my husband works from home and I have to get out of the kitchen. So ooh, it's bright. I don't know if it's because I'm just not a good cook or whatever, but girl, if you ever watch this, please actually like explain things better, because I'm confused about a lot of stuff. Like the toast that she put in her breakfast this morning, I had to like post to my Facebook and ask if anyone knew what kind of bread it was, and I got a bunch of different, what is on my face? I got a bunch of different guesses, so I just picked which one sounded the best and went with it, and it was actually really good. But now we're gonna make her lunch, which is very interesting. I've never had anything like it. Looks really good. I'm really excited about it. So we're gonna cook that now. Hopefully it tastes as good as it does look, and then after that, oh my god, I'm gonna be so mad. Oh, I don't have flour. So here's my next meal. I hope you can see it good. These corn things with the egg, which I just made Sunny sign up because I can't poach. And then it has a salad underneath. And here's some more. She had 4. I just didn't have a big enough bowl that it would look okay in. So I'm gonna eat this. I'm really excited about it. My son's taking a nap so I can relax and enjoy it and see if it's good. This is good. I'm shocked. It is very good. Wow. So I just finished eating. There's still like, this is all that's left. I'm not someone who leaves food behind. I eat everything, even if I'm like full. I'll still find a way to fit the rest into my stomach. But that was so filling. I honestly cannot believe how full I feel right now. I have no idea how many calories was in that, but I mean, I ate like half of it all. So So I'd say, I don't know, maybe I ate like 400 calories, maybe more. I should add it up and figure it out, but I'd say I'm probably at like 800 calories for the whole day, which isn't bad. So, ooh, I think I have stuff in my face. So whenever I get hungry again, which probably won't be for a very long time because that was freaking delicious. That was amazing. That was so good. So I'm very full now, but it's still kind of early. It's 2:45. So around like 5, I'll probably get hungry again and I'll eat the next thing. And then we don't eat dinner until like 10 or 11 o'clock at night. So that's when I will have dinner. And then she also had a dessert. I might have the dessert like for a snack before dinner because I just might. I usually don't like to eat dessert after dinner because it's so late. I don't want to put like extra sweets into my body for no reason. She eats like a lot of food, but it's all like healthy and like whole foods and like good for you kind of stuff. So I'm really not that worried about it. But it's like more calories than I thought it was, and I'm like trying to lose weight right now. But to tell you the truth, I worked out so hard yesterday, and then on top of that, my son and me went on a walk with his bike, or he rode his bike, I went walking with him, which kind of turns into a little run. Anyway, we get to the store because we were going to buy diapers, and he's like, I can't walk anymore. I mean, he didn't say it like that, he's 2, but he basically like was holding his arms up like, hold me, mommy. And I'm like, oh my god, I had to carry his little bike, his helmet, the box of diapers, and my son at one time. You guys, my arms are burning. I mean, oh, that hurt. My arms are just burning like constantly. Like I have the camera leaned up against the couch, so hopefully you can hear me good, because if I hold it up like this, my arm just burns. It hurts so bad, and my camera doesn't even weigh a freaking pound. Anyway, I did legs in the morning. I accidentally did biceps in the afternoon with him. Today's about recovering, and the fastest way that I lose weight is eating like good foods, extra cardio, or just adding cardio. Usually I gain weight if I quit cardio, so I do my cardio, I eat good. I try not to cheat because the issue isn't the calories with cheating. I know a lot of people, and this isn't for everyone, but a lot of people will eat something bad like a cheeseburger or fries or whatever the case may be, and the next day you wake up weighing more. And sometimes I actually weigh less the next day, but most of the time I'll end up weighing more, and it's just water weight. And if you're eating fries every day, then it's not water weight. But eating like a bad meal, especially high in like sodium, the next day I'll just be bloated, and it makes me feel like I gained weight even though I really haven't. So I just choose when I'm trying to lose weight to eat like good. So today has been a fun day. I really liked breakfast. I really liked lunch. I think that after today I will totally keep making those 2 things, but if I like have that breakfast, it'll probably be for dessert because it doesn't fill me up. If I have this, it's gonna be a day where I eat it like mid-afternoon, like a brunch type of meal, if I know I'm not gonna be able to have dinner for a long time and I hadn't had breakfast yet, because it's super filling. It's crazy how filling that is. And then dinner tonight is gonna be amazing. My husband's eating it with me. We'll see how much I can eat at that point because I'm like very full, so we'll see. All right, let's keep going. I made some for Will. I don't know how he feels about it. He had a bite and he liked it. Okay, so now she had a protein, like a chocolate protein shake for her snack like before dinner, but I'm just not in the mood for that really, like at all. Just doesn't sound good to me. So I have Greek yogurt and she had that for dessert. So we're just gonna go ahead and have that part of her dessert now with berries in it. It's so freaking yummy. I love it. And it has 12 grams of protein, and my protein powder that I have, I would have only had half a scoop. It's just 15 grams of protein, so it's like kind of the same thing. Anyway, so yeah, so I'm gonna eat this and hang out with my son and then show you guys dinner. I'm really excited about it. My husband cooks dinner every night, and I'm cooking for like the 2nd time I've ever cooked for both of us, so I'm excited. Hey guys, welcome back to what am I doing? Welcome to dinner. I'm sorry if it sounds bad in here. It's just like there's this noise that comes from in here. I say that like every time I film a video in here, but unfortunately we're actually cooking in the kitchen, so this is where we are. So we're gonna make these like turkey meatball, like spaghetti type situation. So I have the ground turkey, and I'm about to get out all the ingredients so we can start preparing just the meatball part. And then we'll put the meatballs away until my husband is hungry for dinner. and then we'll all eat together. I'm very excited for it. So let's go ahead and get all the ingredients that we need for the meatballs, get these started, get them put away, and yeah, let's start. Alright, so here's kind of a mess. But we have breadcrumbs, my child screaming, I'm sorry, onions, like I said, I like the red onions, tomato puree, the meat, and then we're gonna mix all of this together into meatballs and then get them started. So we're gonna do it right now. You guys, I'm so proud of myself. I look very bloated and I don't have any makeup on, so I'm sorry. But I had like a meatball split apart, so I went ahead and ate like half of it with the sauce. And this is actually so good. You know, I usually watch these videos and I feel like people kind of make things up. And I don't think, well, I'm not gonna say that, but I think people maybe don't make it up, but they do like extra. So they'll cook like 4 meals that day when really they usually would only cook 1 and eat different foods throughout the day. Things like that. But the meals that she has made for like this video are all amazing. And so I applaud her if she doesn't cook every day for cooking it all like in one day, because this stuff is so good. Like this, I will cook this again if my husband likes it. I would cook it for myself, but it's like a lot of work for lunch. So if my husband likes it, I will make it again because it is delicious. I can't wait to actually have it with the noodles though, because all I've had is the meatballs and the sauce, but it's so good. I'll have all the recipes and everything linked down below, and like her video linked down below. We're gonna eat together and finish Breaking Bad. We've already watched it before, like not together, before we knew each other. So we're rewatching all of it because tomorrow we're gonna watch the Breaking Bad movie El Camino. It comes out tonight at like midnight, but we'll be asleep by then. So we're gonna watch it tomorrow together, and I'm really excited about it. So I'm gonna film us like eating, like a fast forward thing if you guys want to watch that. If not, this is the end of the video. And thank you guys so much for being here and watching. Please like and subscribe. I will have inserted at some point the full meal, and it was just very good so far. So yeah, can't wait to eat it all. Oh my god.